Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play co-op in Survivor. EO. To begin, navigate to the main menu and select the co-op option. You can invite a friend or match with a random player to form a two-person team. Your primary goal is to survive intense waves of enemies and defeat challenging bosses, earning valuable rewards together. This mode offers a unique experience, emphasizing teamwork and strategic coordination to overcome difficult encounters. For effective co-op play, character selection is crucial. Aim for complementary skills. If a teammate falls, you can revive them by standing close for about 5 seconds, but be careful of surrounding enemies. Always prioritize communication to coordinate your attacks and share valuable power-ups. Remember, working as a cohesive unit significantly increases your chances of success against the relentless hordes and formidable bosses you will encounter. Mastering co-op challenges involves smart enemy prioritization. Focus on taking down ranged attackers first to minimize overall damage to your team. Efficiently gather experience gems to rapidly upgrade your abilities, which is vital for later stages. Pay close attention to boss attack patterns. Understanding these will allow you to dodge incoming threats and maximize your damage output, ensuring your team's survival through tough encounters. Playing co-op offers fantastic rewards, including significant amounts of gold, powerful equipment, and exclusive items only found in this mode. Make sure to complete your daily and weekly co-op missions to earn substantial bonus rewards. As you successfully clear more stages, you will progress through co-op ranks, unlocking unique perks and prestigious titles. These benefits greatly enhance your overall game progression and character power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.